When your child goes from totally normal to almost not there anymore, the only thing that went through my head is, how can we make her survive until the next day? Elena was born in 2014. She was a normal child until one night she actually collapsed at home. We had to do CPR to keep her alive, and she was then brought to the hospital by emergency. It was quickly clear that it is her heart that has a bad condition, so she had to be flown to the cardiac center in Berlin. She was diagnosed with dilated cardiomyopathy, which is a condition where your heart muscle is too big to pump blood through your body regularly. They gave her a 5% chance that her heart would recover by its own. As parents during that time, of course, you don't know what to do in that situation. There are not so many things that go through your head except, how can we make her okay again? The doctors showed us images of an external device that would have to be connected directly to her heart. The system looked scary, but in that moment it was actually the last straw that we could cling to. The name of that system is X-Core Pediatric by Berlin Heart. One of my first customers that I supported at NI was from Berlin Heart. When I worked with Berlin Heart back then, I had no idea that this would have such a big impact to my future life. The doctors told us that without the X-Core system, Elena might not survive. This was really the last option. In most cases, the X-Core device is used to bridge the time until a donor heart is available. We were really lucky that Elena's own heart recovered under the support of that machine. When your daughter's heart is dependent on a machine, you want to be sure that it's working reliably. Knowing that I could contribute with my work to ensuring the quality of that device really gave me a different view on my daily work at NI. At NI, we support so many great projects like Berlin Heart, and seeing how we can improve the development of new technology and be a part of the future just is inspiring every day.
It's made me glad that I can use my ability to help. That's the biggest motivation to improve future projects, because maybe it can help a little bit more.
Listening at a first-hand story of somebody who got his child saved by a product, well, feels good. To find something where you can see on a regular basis that your work does impact other people's lives, definitely a fulfilling thought.
If there was no X-Core system, Juniper would never have made it. We have a lot of faith in technology and the scientists behind the X-Core system. We're excited to see what else they do.
I hope that in the future we can advance the therapy so that it's not a last resort, but can prevent the illness in the first place.
As an engineer and as a father, it is my passion to be part of this and to contribute to making those projects successful. If you see Elena today, then you will recognize that she's enjoying life to the fullest. That would never have been possible without the support of that system.